merge sort. Merge sort follows the rule of divide and conquer. Divide and conquer is a British rule. For any given problem, they divide into sub-problems or subtasks and they try to conquer them, the individual tasks, which will give the result of the main task. So merge sort also follows this divide and conquer technique. To sort a given set of numbers or elements recursively, hence we can consume the less time to sort the elements. In merge sort, the given unsorted array with n elements is divided into n sub-arrays, each having one element. Because of single element is always sorted itself. Because we see a smallest element that is already sorted by itself. Then it repeatedly merges these subarray to produce a new sorted subarray. And in the end, one complete sorted array is produced. The concept of divide and conquer involves three important steps. The first step is divide the problem into multiple small problems. Conquer them, that is, the sub-problems by solving them. The idea is to break down the problem into atomic sub-problems where they are actually solved. Combined step. The solution of the sub-problems is to find the solution of the actual problem. That is, the solution of sub-problems will make you the solution of the actual problem, what you want to solve. So, this is the technique behind the merge sort. Let us see the merge sort algorithm. It divides an input array into two halves, calls itself for the two halves and then merge the two sorted halves. The merge function is used to merging the two halves. The merge of array, next given I element, the mid position and the right hand side element is the key process that assumes that array of I till m and array of m plus 1 till r are sorted and merges the two sorted subarrays into one. The merge sort of array, comma, the left and right, if the right position is greater than the left position, we need to find the middle point to divide the array into two halves. That is, middle equal to m equal to L plus R by 2. The second point is call the merge sort for first half. So this is a recursive call algorithm. Merge sort of array comma left comma middle. Next, third one, call the merge sort for second half. That is, call merge sort of array comma mid plus 1 comma R. Next, the last step is, after calling these two merge sort, we are calling the merge function, where we are going to merge the 2 and 3 steps. That is, merge the two halves sorted in steps 2 and 3, call merge of array comma left comma mid comma right. So this is how the elements are sorted according to the algorithm of merge sort. Now let us see one example as part of the merge sort. So the elements are 38, 27, 43, 3, 9, 82 and 10. So these are the elements. Now first divide these elements into two halves. The elements into two halves are 38, 27, 43 and 3. Next again divide these elements again into two halves each, because the first process is divide step. So it is 38, 27, one half. Next 43 and 3 is the second half. Next divide this 38 and 27 into halves, that is 38 and 27. Now we got an atomic, that is a single individual variable, which means that element itself is a sorted element. Next 43 and 3 is subdivided again. Now after subdividing we get 43 and 3. Next after subdividing it, next let us again try to produce the conquer step. That is by comparing 38 and 27. So 27 is less than 38. So we will prepare a sub array as 27 and 38. The next sub array of 43 and 3, it is 3 and 43. Next let us perform the merge process of these two sub arrays. Now we will be getting the elements in the sorted order as 3, 27, 38 and 43. So after completing of the left side, now we shall go for the right hand side. That is 9, 82, 10. Now 9, 82, 10 is again subdivided into two halves. That is 9, 82 and 10. Again 9 and 82 are divided into atomic values, that is we are going to divide it furthermore, that is 9 and 82. Next 10 is anyhow it is individual element, it is divided. Now 9 and 82, so if you perform the sorting, 9 and 82 are there in their position, because 9 is anyhow less than 82. Next 10 is anyhow in its position. Now let us compare 9, 82 and 10. So first we will be getting 9, next 10, next 82. Now this is the second half of the sorted array. Now the final merge process is done on these two halves. That is now the sorted list will be 3, 9, 10, 27, 38, 43 and 82. Now the entire elements are in the sorted order. So this is the merge sort algorithm.